Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare SolidWorks AutoCAD and Fusion 360. SolidWorks, AutoCAD and Fusion 360 are all powerful design tools, but they each have their own strengths depending on what you need. SolidWorks is known for its focus on 3D modeling and mechanical design. It's widely used in industries like engineering, manufacturing, and product design. SolidWorks is great for creating detailed assemblies and mechanical parts. It also offers strong simulation tools to test designs before production. However, it's quite expensive and has a steep learning curve, which might be challenging if you're just starting out. AutoCAD is well-established software that's best known for 2D drafting, though it also supports 3D modeling. It's commonly used by architects, engineers, and construction professionals for technical drawings and blueprints. AutoCAD is ideal if you're working on plans or layouts rather than detailed mechanical models. It's very precise and widely recognized, but its 3D capabilities are more limited compared to SolidWorks or Fusion 360. Fusion 360 stands out because it combines CAD, CAM, and CAE tools into one platform. It's cloud-based, so you can collaborate easily and access your work from anywhere. Fusion 360 is great for product design, mechanical parts, and even CNC machining. It's also more affordable than SolidWorks and easier to learn for beginners. Plus, it includes tools for preparing design for 3D printing. In my opinion, if you're focused on mechanical engineering or complex assemblies, SolidWorks is the most powerful option. If you mainly need 2D drafting or architectural drawings, AutoCAD is the way to go. But if you want a balance of 3D modeling, collaboration, and affordability, Fusion 360 offers a versatile solution for both professionals and hobbyists. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.